See how Hang Seng Tech put warrants surged to 89%, while S&P core warrants rallied 22% in the month of August, and how investors used warrants to capture these moves from Singapore. Hi, I'm Jamie from Macquarie Warrants, and I'm here to share with you some highlights of the market action last month, and how you could have used warrants to capture some of these moves. Chinese shares saw a sell-off extended from July, touching new lows in August as China continues to unleash further regulatory measures at more industries. Education, entertainment, healthcare, gaming, property, technology. None was spared as the Chinese government aims to create common prosperity via a clampdown on these industries. The Hang Seng Tech Index, which constitutes Chinese tech shares, headed to new lows on 20th August, taking its total losses from July to August to 28%. In the US, where ongoing concerns of tapering caused volatility in US shares, investors gained more clarity in the month of August after US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell signaled a preference to pull back on US stimulus, but remained cautious on raising interest rates too quickly. Powell's dovish stance led the S&P 500 to touch new record highs and trade firmly above the 4,500 level. Both indices provided many trading opportunities for investors in the month of August. Investors keen to trade on these short-term moves on both indices during Singapore trading hours may consider doing so via Macquarie's Hang Seng Tech Index and S&P 500 warrants, which allow investors to go both long or short. So what are warrants? Core warrants move in line with the underlying before, meaning if the underlying stock or index went up, so will the core warrants. Put warrants move in opposite directions from the underlying, increasing in price when the underlying stock or index falls. In the table, you will find both call and put warrants over the Hang Seng Tech Index, allowing investors to trade on a bullish or bearish view. Investors should note that these warrants do not track the cash index, but rather the Hang Seng Tech Index futures, for which you can find the prices available on our homepage. When the Hang Seng Tech Index tumbled almost 1,000 points, or 13%, from 6,780 on 30th July to 5,900 on 20th August, the Hang Seng Tech Core Warrant PVAW fell 57%, while the Hang Seng Tech Put Warrant gained 89%. Looking at the S&P 500, which moved higher on US Fed Chair Jerome Powell's dovish stance, investors could have traded the moves there during Singapore trading hours without leaving the SGX. S&P 500 warrants track the S&P 500 Futures Index, which trade 23 hours a day, including during Singapore trading hours. In the case of S&P Core Warrant INMW, it increased 21.9% after S&P 500 September futures gained 3.3% in the month of August, while Put Warrant YIJW lost 51.2%. To see where our bid and offer prices are for a range of given underlying prices, visit our live matrix. In this example of a Hang Seng Tech Core Warrant, the rightmost column states the underlying offer price, and next to it is the warrant's offer price. The warrant PVAW's offer price will be trading at 6.1 cents, when the Hang Seng Tech Futures Index offer price trades between 6,857 to 6,869. The warrant offer price increases to 6.2 cents when the Hang Seng Tech Index offer price trades from 6,870 to 6,881. The underlying and warrant bid prices are on the left. In this case, the warrant bid price will trade at 6.4 cents when the Hang Seng Tech Index bid price is trading between 6,906 to 6,917. Utilizing the live matrix, warrant investors can therefore decide on their warrant entry and exit levels based on their view of the underlying. With put warrants, investors are taking a short position on the underlying. When an investor buys a put, warrant issuers like Macquarie sell the underlying stock at their bid prices to hedge. Therefore, you will notice that the warrant's offer price tracks the underlying's bid price on the live matrix instead. The underlying's bid price is now displayed at the rightmost column, while the underlying's offer price is on the leftmost column. Looking at the live matrix here, the Hang Seng Tech Put Warrant 57 kW has an offer price at 4.1 cents when the Hang Seng Tech Futures bid price trades between 6,916 to 6,932, while the warrant bid will be 4.2 cents when the Hang Seng Tech offer price trades lower between 6,884 to 6,900. You will notice the warrant prices are higher when the underlying Hang Seng Tech Futures trades lower, as put warrants move in the opposite direction to the underlying they track. Upon deciding to trade, simply click on Trade Warrants here to get directed to your local brokerage account and key in the 4-digit warrant code into the trading platform. For further details on trading warrants and to find out if you're qualified to trade warrants, click on the link in the description or feel free to contact us at our warrant hotline. Lastly, don't miss out on the next video and exciting warrant news by scanning the QR codes and subscribing to our channels on YouTube, Telegram, and Facebook.